Hello and welcome to the Solopreneur Business Tracker spreadsheet. From the menu page, all of these are hyperlinked, so let's jump right into the data page. So this is where you add your daily expenses, so date, expense, and the cost of the expense, and for your income, the date, where it came from, and how much money. And these are all set to drop-down bars, and I'll explain more about them later. So for the miles, mileage is very important because gas costs a lot and it's only going to go up. At the moment, it is 67 cents a mile for the IRS in 2024. That's for business. Charity is 14, and medical or military moving is 21 cents a mile currently. So, two ways you can do this. You can read off your dashboard, and then it will automatically calculate how far you went and what you need to claim. If you have an app which does that, then put the distance in, and it will claim that as well. Make sure you put the date, because you can then check with a date report. It will tell you how far you went and how much you can claim back. For tax purposes, you can put the start and last date of the year, and it will tell you that total. You can put that in your tax return. Buildings are important as well because you need to run your business from somewhere. So you might be running your business from home, in which case you can claim a portion of your utility bills for business purposes. It varies from state to state and on the property, I imagine. So let's say in this example, you are claiming 25%. So 25% of the bills within this date range will give you, that's the amount you can claim. If you want to put the first and last day of the year, that will give you your tax reports. Office, so this refers to if you had a rental unit, then you'd be claiming all of the bills back for that. So there's no portion calculation, and then again put the dates in, and it gives you how much there was. These numbers in black, that's just how much you've spent total over the entire records. Now the drop-down bars, now this is where you populate the drop-down bars for the expenses and the buildings. Type in new information, and then it means when you go to select a expense or an income, then you can just choose that. It makes it quicker, and also it makes the information sorting much easier later on. So then this all gets fed through to the totals page. So all your income expenses are listed here. You can choose the year. So this is able to be used over multiple years. And these graphs on the right follow that. So here we have all income, all costs. So you can see your general profit and loss, and then the sum of the profits over the year. This is a slightly different graph, so you choose the year, and then because you've selected different income sources, you can see each month how much of a proportion of your income came from which month. And here we have just another date range. You can use it for tax purposes. So we've got the 1st of January and then December 31st. And then this gives you a breakdown of where all your expenses were. If you want to change the date on that, it will give you, again, another breakdown. There's also some analysis because who doesn't like a graph? So these are called slices, but you don't need to know that. So what you can do is here we have the income. So here we have the year 2024 selected and all the months. So you can see this is what you earned from those sources. If you want to choose just one of the months, there you go. Or you can press this and you can select multiple months. So let's say Q1, so that's January, February, March, or February, March, April. Anyway, so 3 months there, and it gives you the breakdown. What you can do is press that to reset, and you can choose, for example, just one of your income sources and analyze to your heart's content. The out analysis page works exactly the same way, but this is just for your expenses. So everything that's listed in the drop-down bar, you can list it here and check and cross-reference all your expenses and what needs to be done. So you can see where your money's going out. Finally, there is a help file. So this is just to reiterate anything. It should be quite self-explanatory, but all the information you need here is color-coded and to the sheets.